Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix this squeaking sound of ball joints. You can basically use any kind of oils or white grease, just make sure not to use WD-40. Because WD-40 is not a lubricant and it could make ball joint to pop out while you drive. Make sure to locate where the sound is coming from. In my case it was upper ball joint. All you have to do is simply inject oil straight into this rubber piece. As you can tell, the noise is completely gone. Thank you guys for watching.